Hello everyone. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, whatever location you have. So today, welcome for this Yoga meditation. So my name is Rajesh Chaudhary. So I am currently living in Germany, and last 15 years I am doing this Yoga meditations. And currently I am working with as a IT lead consultant, and I am doing Surge Yoga stress management sessions throughout the Germany, throughout the exhibitions last 5 years. So very beautiful experience in the throughout the journey of this in Germany to do this session. So we can do this same session here today. Hope you will enjoy that session. So as I told you that meditation name is Yoga Meditations, and today's our topic is actually, as you know, this topic is the secret of our internal own energy. So that secret will be open within couple of minutes. So don't worry about that. So how this secret is work and this energy, how it is. It is not only the explanation, or I will tell you secret, but we can feel the secret within, and then we can differentiate. Yes, really, I have that secret. So we can call as a success of secret, or we can call as a secret energy, which will open inside and it will change you completely. So I will show you one presentations, and then you can just have a look on this, that you know what is this energy, how it will be as a secret, how it will be working through day-to-day life. So as I told you, the Surge Yoga is the meditation is nothing but the spontan meditations. So Yoga Sahaja means the spontaneous, or we can get born with us. It's a Sanskrit word. Yoga is a Sanskrit word. It's also the connection with this divine energy. So today we will do this connection again, and we will enjoy these meditations throughout the journey. So what I am saying, I will explain you what is that secret in within us, and how we can open that secret, how we can feel the secret of this energy. So this secret actually, Sri Mataji explained, which is the founder of the Sri Mataji Nirmala Devi is the founder of the Sahaja meditation, and she explained that secret at the 1975 May to the world. So she is the founder, and she has introduced this mass realization technique throughout the world and to save the humanity. So which is everywhere in the world is a free of cost. Is nothing the charge behind is. And the objective is very simple, that you will get your own joy. You will know your own secret of this energy. So I will just go to the next slide. It will be give a secret, and the secret of your subtle system, or you can call it a system of science. So Shrimataji started his Surge Yoga 5th May 1970, and it is around 120 or 130 countries. We are performing the Surge Yoga meditations, and in Germany also, a lot of people find Surge Yoga meditation is different than other meditations. So how it is different? How we can feel that? So that we have to learn today, and we have to feel today with our experience. So I will just explain you the subtle system. So in the screen, if you see, there is a three channels and the seven chakras. You can see the left is the blue channel. You can see sky blue color. The yellow channel is our right channel. The center channel, we have a seven spot here. These different colors, which is nothing but the seven chakras or plexus in the scientific language. In the Sanskrit, we call it the chakras, and the channels we call it the nadi. So three channels and seven plexus is the surrounding to create this subtle system, and which is called as a subtle system body, or you can call it the science within. So how this science is working, where is this secret energy? This is the question, that what is that secret. So you can see, I will not make it is very secret because we have to finish this session also. So this secret is nothing but we have the energy is called kundalini, and which is reside to your sacred bone, which is the sacred bone. Actually, it is a in Greek language you call it the sacred. Sacred means secret. So this secret bone is within you, and this bone, this energy is always there. It's called kundalini. It's a motherly energy. So this is energy available all the human being. So today, this is called a secret because this energy is a sleeping mode. So we have to activate that energy. When it is activated, then you know the secret of energy within, and you can feel that secret or this energy feeling within your body, your chakras, or your all the mental, physical, and spiritual aspect. So I just want to explain you what is that mean, the subtle system. So as you know that we have a left channel, as I told, and we have a right channel. The left channel is represent to your past. For example, you are always in the emotional side. You are always crying, very, we can say, depressive mode, and you will not want to go any collective program. You not want to go anywhere. Very laziness. So a lot of the symptoms of this left side, and the right side is nothing but we aggressions. We always thinking. You sleep, think. You walk, think. You always thinking about your future. You're very aggressive, egoistic. Nothing listen to other person. You just listen to yourself or with your ego. So these are two extreme conditions. One is that you not listen to anyone, and other is that you always listen and feel very burden on self. This is the two extreme conditions. So when you go the extreme of the left side, it's called a depression. When you go extreme to the right side, it is called aggressions. But we have to come to middle, because when we born, this subtle system is very all right. But why it is happening? So I just give one example with the subtle system, how it is work. So you know that we have to drive the car. In car we have the brake and the accelerator. Okay, this is very important part of your car. So I'm talking about the automatic car. So we have a two system only. So when you put your brake, all your leg on the brake always, your car will not be moved. Same thing is happen in your life. If you put you always in the emotional side, you always thinking about the past hang-ups, you always thinking about your family, you always feel guilty, you always nervous, very dominating self. So the break is life, your life is break now. It will not move up ahead. So it will not give any progress. But similarly, if you remove your leg from brake and put the leg on the accelerator, the car will be move anywhere. There is no, so a lot of accident will be happen on the road. You will be die, you will be injured. What will be happen? Because of you put your leg on the accelerator. So speed. So if you always in the speed, you always in the worry, hurry, you don't have time to eating, you don't have to time sleeping, not talk to your family. So thinking about the money, thinking about the future, very aggressive, very, there is no love and compassion within. And you always think, you always driven by your ego. So whatever ego is satisfied, you feel satisfied. And that type of the always accelerated condition, it will give in the extreme mode of aggressions. We call as a, we can say the people we can call as we can call as a mental personality. So his people is already totally mad. So this is two extreme conditions, but we have to come in the middle. But how? So this is, you can see the middle path. See here the middle path between from left and right is equal. It is in diagram showing. But the current conditions, that this graph is increasing. It will be left side more, right side more. We don't know. That is the secret. That energy will rise. The energy will rise, and it energy will rise. The first chakra is all right. The first chakra is called Muladhara, means first energy plexus. So this plexus is all right. Then what mean by all right? All right means you have you have the purity. If you are a little bit innocent, you have wisdom, that you understand that there is some power is there. So it is the innocence will be there. This is the purity should be there. So if something is little bit also is present in your first chakra, then this first chakra communicate this energy is Kundalini, which is the motherly craft within, and then this Kundalini energy start rising like a snake, and open the all the chakras from your sixth chakra top of that energy. So it will go to the second chakra. So when you born, you are a child, like a innocent. Like when you go up, it will go to the grow up child. Okay, he said is my things, my. So my started when we grow up little bit. Means you become a very much creative, but you know it is mine or this is another person. So little bit ego also develop with the creativity. So this is not a bad thing that okay, your ego is developed, is not a bad thing at a childhood, but it will be increasing. Any other extreme condition is not good food for us. So the creativity is increasing. You go to the school slowly, slowly. become a, you go to another school, means school to college. So then satisfaction. But what is that Navi? So left side is your family aspect and right side of your money, career and job. So for example, for if you are in the college, so you think about career, then after finishing your education, think about job. During the job, you think about money, promotions, progressions, lot of things you are thinking. So all things have happened throughout the day, throughout the life. You are always here in the third chakra. Family, money, career. Where I can go, no satisfaction throughout life. Then suddenly you come to the retirement age. You become old people. Then you come to the this fourth chakra, which is called as the heart chakra. We can call anahat chakra is the language. So this is the chakra actually gives love and compassion. But fourth chakra means you little bit have fear. So that's the reason the old people always have the fear. But the fourth chakra, I just give you, if you this fourth chakra is open, first advantage is that your immune system will be become very strong. How? Because this chakra is producing the antibodies. Because the chakra is the the work is that producing the antibodies means the immune system. So whatever chakra is open, for example, your immune system percentage or your antibodies percentage is 60% today, this moment. When this Kundalini energy, which is our secret energy, it will rising and it will open this fourth chakra. And it is open the fourth chakra, so then you will feel the this 60% antibodies or immune system percent, it will be carried out throughout your life. Means you will be safe for all the diseases. So this is very important. That's why we told the people, the third chakra, in the surrounding there is like a sea, this green color which is called as the Bahusagara, which is nothing but our guru principle, our master principle. You become your own master. And when this fourth chakra is open, your antibody is so strong, so you away from the doctor. Means you know, and after some time, if you do this meditation, you become your own doctor because you can introspect yourself. We'll learn later on these conditions, this subtle system part. But today, when fourth chakra is open, and how is the chakra is open? Because this Kundalini open your spirit first, awaken your spirit, remove the fear from your body, and it will open that, and then it will go to the another chakra. So all the chakra is open like a flower. So then it will go to the fifth chakra, which is called as a fifth chakra is nothing but the Vishuddhi chakra, which is called as a collectivity, is a quality. What is that collectivity? Means when your neck, if you are, for example, if you are animal, your neck always in the horizontal direction. But when you become a human being, your neck is vertical direction. So this is the fifth chakra. It will be significant that it will change your neck positions. That means you become a part and parcel of whole this the energy or whole the secret of the universe, which is called as the vibrations, or we can call in Sanskrit Param Chaitanya. So we have to integrate with this collective being. So when you have to integrate, the chakra should be open. But this is very important chakra. As I told you, the fourth chakra is very easy to open because the energy is Kundalini is so very nice, so loving. She open all the chakra and come to reside your heart. But after that, the hurdles start actually. So what is that hurdle? So this fifth chakra, left side is actually your guilt. Means you do the mistake, guilty. Do the mistake, guilty. So your left chakra is got caught. And the right side is nothing but that your aggression, reactions. You see something, for example, you saw some flower, you said, no, no, the color is not good, the smell is not good. You always react the negative side. Or you not react and you not enjoy anything, any person, any situations. You always have a reaction. So this is the type of the right heart chakra, right throat chakra problem. You can call right Vishuddhi problem. And left, then you something you react, you aggressive. So then you can feel the left side problem. So this is the problem. It will actually create you the blockage of the chakra. So today we'll do some affirmation. I will tell you later what we have to do to open that chakra. But I will just explain you that if you're not guilty and if you're not aggressive, so the chakra is open. It is not. It is very difficult, right? become a, I will tell you, it is not possible. This energy, the sacred energy, when awaken, it will give this idea how to open that. It will help you because it's a motherly energy, and mother always help child. So just have do this meditation from heart. You can see this difference, and you can feel that love of this your motherly energy. So then after that is very important chakra. It's called sixth chakra. It's the Agya chakra called quality forgiveness. Why it is very important? It's very easy if you forgive every person very easily. And if you not forgive, then it's very difficult. But for example, if you not forgive any person, so it's not make a sense, right? If you not forgive any person, so he is enjoying, but you are taking a burden of this person. Oh, this person is not right. But he don't know. He's enjoying his life, but you not enjoy that life because of this the pressure or the load from this another person. So we can put this person, this situation keep aside for during the meditations, and then we can open this sixth chakra, which is the door of heaven. It's really door of heaven because you can see the blue and the yellow area above the chakra, which is nothing but the thoughts. And the yellow thoughts is the thoughts from future, and the yellow thoughts is from the future, and blue thoughts is from the past. So if you do these meditations, the chakra will be open, and then you can feel the in thoughts are coming out, like a window is open, and all the dust is coming outside. So all is happening through this chakra will be open, but is very joyful. So I told you when each chakra is open already, your migraine problem will be resolved. Because migraine, what is migraine? There is no place for next thought. All place is full, and if this window is open, you can see the thoughts are come out, and you can feel the relax. That's a lot of people are cured by with this meditation with migraine. So this is one of the aspect or the significant of this meditation. And the last chakra is nothing but the Sahasrara. It's called integration. So if you have integrate with the chakra, is open that chakra, and what is my integration? Is all the chakras integrate with the seven chakra, and Sahasrara is nothing but the 1000. In Sanskrit is a Sahasrara. In English it's called 1000. So we have the 1000 brain waves. So in scientific it is 999, but is a 1000 as a Patanjali Yoga they describe that. And when this 9000, 1000, if you have more desire, then it will open 10, 20, depends on your desire. If it is open more than 100, it's called a samadhi, that no thoughts. You enjoy this meditation, and this is the integration that your energies, is a secret energy, Kundalini, start coming on the top of the head. And after that meditation, you can feel the warm breeze on top of the head or cool breeze. If there is a friction on your chakra, means there is a little bit blockages, you can feel the warm breeze on your left side or right side, depends on which area, which side person you are. Then you can feel that type of energy on top of the head, and then you can feel that energy is warm or cool. Then you can see what is the difference, why you feel left. So some people feel warm, some people feel cool breeze on both the hand. So that's mean there is no friction, there is no blockages. And if you feel warm, so there is little bit blockages, energy is, motherly energy is working. So that we have to do this meditation now. So I will not explain you, but this is a secret I open to you. This is not a secret, but yeah, it's the energy is in the sleeping mode. So that's the reason it's secret energy. But if it's awakened within you, you can definitely give the secret to other, and you become a very loving, joyous personality. So we can meditate with this beautiful technique, and we can open our secret energy within. So, but that meditations, we have only two conditions. One condition is that, as I told you, if you have pure desire, because our left side is pure desire. If you don't have pure desire, this energy will not be open. So there is very important that you have to do the pure desire. And second conditions, as I told you, have to forgive yourself and you have to forgive others. If you do these these conditions, whatever more desire you can have, you can feel more energy. And just leave it all the problems, all the hatred, remove from your body, from your mind, keep it aside, and just enjoy these meditations. So now we will put both the hand on the lap, like this body, this picture on in front of you, and just put your both hand on lap, and just watch your hand, and just close your eyes, and just introspect. Means you have to just feel what you feel on your hand, how many thoughts are coming. Just watch. It is a future related or past related. Just watch your mind, how you can feel now. Because we can check this after the meditation also. So what you feel difference between two. Just see your both the hand, top of the head, your mind, thoughts. Just watch. Don't enter into it. Just think is left is a past or future related thoughts. Then we will our founder Srimataji will guide you for next 10 minutes. We have one video. So first before that you have to introspect 1 minute with this meditation. Just watch your thoughts, close your eyes. Just watch these new thoughts are coming or is old thought. Just watch. This thought is actually from your past, from your future. Just see. 1 minute we will meditate, and after that we'll meditate. Just watch your thoughts. Meanwhile, I'm playing the video.
First of all, please put your right hand.
So close your eyes. So I will just explain you what we have to do these meditations, because we have to do this meditation with closing your eyes. So you can just open your eyes. Then I will just share you the steps what you have to follow, or we have the steps also here. I will share with you, because which is very important. that that I can take two conditions I told you, yeah, before that you have to not guilty. So first is that you have to put your right hand on your heart, left side of your heart, where your spirit is reside. Here we will do some affirmation, or Sri Mataji will tell you during the meditations. We have to just repeat that in your heart, not say loudly. Then we will put our right hand, the upper part of your lower side of abdomen. Okay, press it hard. Then we'll put our right hand, the lower side of your abdomen of left side. And then again we have to put our right hand on your neck and shoulder of left side. Just hold your neck and shoulder with your right hand. Just move your neck a little bit right. So all this technique we have to do with closing the eyes, but Shimataji will tell you, but you at least know what we have to do. Then we'll put our hand on the across the forehead, right hand. Just put down your head, because you have to forgive here. So just say, just put your hand, the neck a bit downward. So become a humble person. Then we'll put our right hand behind, means behind your forehead, back side of your forehead. You have to ask forgiveness from divine. Then stretch your finger like this. Your palm should be put on the frontal bone area, which is soft bone your childhood. Just do the massage clockwise 7 times. And after that, we'll put our right hand on top of the head, 10 centimeter, and left hand. So then we will see how we can feel warm or cool breeze. So now, just close your eyes. Just listen that what Srimata said, follow the technique. Do this from depth of heart and see how you can enjoy this meditation.
On your heart. All the time the left hand restores me. Now, here you have to say, in your heart, with all sincerity, Mother, am I the spirit? Ask the question 3 times in your heart. This is a very fundamental question. Now bring the right hand on to the left hand side of your stomach, in the upper part. Here press it. Now this is the center of your mastery, your guidance, your Guru Tattva as they say. So ask a question, Mother, am I my own master? This is a question to be asked 3 times. Mother, am I my own master? Now, bring your right hand down below, in the lower part of the abdomen. Now, this is the center from which all the divine work is done. All the pure work is done. So to ask 6 times, because this center has got 6 petals. Mother, please give me pure knowledge. 6 times you just ask. As a result of this asking, the Kundalini starts getting awakened. Now to help the Kundalini to rise, you have to cooperate with her. So please put your right hand on the left hand side in the upper part of your abdomen and press it on the stomach. Now here you have to say with full confidence, to help the Kundalini to rise, Mother, I am my own master. This you have to say 10 times. These are the 10 commandments which you have to say. That, Mother, I am my own master. Now, 10 times with full confidence. Now please raise your right hand to your heart. Now, here you have to say, again with full confidence, Mother, I am the Spirit. This is the truth. You are the Spirit. But you have to say with full confidence, Mother, I am the Spirit. This you have to say 12 times. Now one has to know that God Almighty is the ocean of love. But above all, He is the ocean of forgiveness. So He forgives. Whatever wrong you do, He forgives. So don't feel guilty and put your right hand across on the left hand side in the corner which is made by your neck and your shoulder. Now here you have to say again with full confidence 16 times, Mother, I am not guilty. Please say it. Mother, I am not guilty. 16 times. I am not guilty at all. Please say it. Please say it. very hot. Now raise your hand across on your forehead. And it's a very important center. Here you have to say from your heart, Mother, I forgive everyone. Please say it from your heart. How many times is not the point. Mother, I forgive everyone. Now, some would say that it's very difficult to forgive, but it's a myth that we do not forgive or we forgive. We do not do anything in both the cases. But if we don't forgive, then we play into wrong hands. So please say from your heart, Mother, I forgive everyone. Now please take your hand on the back agya, the same center, on the back side of your head and allow your head to rest on it and push it back a little bit. Now here, you have to say, for your satisfaction, because you always feel guilty, that, O Divine, if I have done anything wrong, please forgive me. Please forgive me. From your heart. Stretch your hand fully and put your center of your palm on top of the fontanelle bone area, which was a very soft bone in your childhood. Press it hard. Press hard your scalp. Now you have to move it 7 times, saying one thing, which you have to ask for. Mother, please give us my self-realization, because I cannot force on you. So you have to ask for it. 7 times, press it hard and move it 7 times, very hard. Slowly, saying that.
Now we will take our hand back on lap, both the head on lap, and we'll meditate 1 minute with silence. Just feel on both the hand what you feel. It's cool or warm. Just feel that energy on both the hand. See some tingling sensation on your fingertips. See what you feel. Your both the hand. Slowly put your right hand, or we'll try with left hand first. We'll put our left hand 10 centimeter on top of the head. We can put 10 or 15 centimeter. We'll see the spot where we can feel the energy, is warm or cool breeze. Where you find the energy, just put your hand constant there and see it is cool or warm. It will come sometime 10 centimeter or 15 centimeter. Just move your hand up and down slowly. You fix it, it is warm or cool breeze on top of the head. So it is warm, you have to just say, or is hot, you just say, please forgive me. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. See, and then you have to cool breeze you can feel, or warm is also no problem. Just feel is very important. Then we will put our right hand back on top of the head, left hand back, sorry. And we will see our right hand. We feel warm, cool. We'll put our same hand constant there. If it is warm or same like left or warm or is it different or cool. If it is warm or hot, you have to say I forgive, I forgive, I forgive, I forgive. See the energies, secret energies start coming, give you the joy. So last time we will check with left hand again, that we can sure that yeah, energy is there, is warm or cool. So we'll put like this. So we'll put our both the on lap. So same exercise we will do now. We put our attention on top of the head and on the fingers, palm, and feel, or if what you can feel now. See the thoughts is there, or reduce, or you feel joy internally. If you feel both the hand cool breeze, it's definitely you are in the samadhi stage. And if you feel warm also, you can enjoy that meditation. You feel the relaxation. You can feel your body is weightless or something different. Just enjoy that feeling for the next 5 minutes. And after 1 minute, we will see, we will just listen some music. Just enjoy that music. So we can now put our hand again, left hand on top of the head. Just feel the vibrations, it's cool or warm. It's definitely, if you meditate after this realization, you can feel very nice or cool or warm breeze. Just check with right hand. So we'll say our both the hand together. Just thanks our motherly energy, or you can say thanks Sushri Mataji. That is wonderful experience. So hope you enjoy this meditation, but it is not a end of this meditation. It's a beginning. So what is the end? End is that you change your personality completely. You know this secret, and you can open this secret for others, for their joy. As I told you, I'm living in Germany. Those people are doing this meditation. They are very loving. They are enjoying their family. They enjoy their job. So you can take this opportunity and enjoy it. If you want to go further, because this is only the seeds are ripe in the earth, but it should be you have to give the water. So is water nothing but the meditations? So if you want to do the continued meditations, so we have the website here. So if you live any country, I think it's 130 countries we have meditations or more than that. So if you want to join that meditations, so you can just see. I will just share that screen with you. Yeah. So it's we have a freemeditation.com website. So you can take the photograph if you want. And this is a sahajoga.org. And if you are in living Germany, so you can just have a www.sahajoga.de. So if you get all the meditations, or you can just try in the Google also you put, you will get a lot of the Facebook group. We are just started the daily meditations. If you want to Sahaja Yoga journey within group, if you all want to join us daily 20-minute meditation, you can join us. This is the next stage of your meditations. Hope you will enjoy and you will come to next stage. But as I just tell you, because the positive energy start coming inside and negative energy is coming going outside. It's a beginning. So let's make this happening and know this secret to the world and know this secret to yourself. Thank you very much for joining this session. So have a nice day, nice evening, or have a good night, everyone. Thank you very much.
हा.
हॅलो
आणि हे सांगायचं
हॅलो.
तिच्या काकांचा फोन आला, माझा आवाज एकदम कमी होऊन गेला.